Welcome back to the Revit Mind. In today's video, we're continuing our parametric family series by creating this modern parametric family that you see on the screen. This type of family can be used in building facades, modern architectural designs, interior features, or anywhere you want to add a unique parametric pattern to your project. At the end of the tutorial, we'll also use a simple Dynamo script that will help us generate even more interesting and dynamic results using the same family. So, without any further delay, let's get started. First, we'll create a new generic pattern-based family and change the project units to meters. For this example, the panel will be approximately 6 meters long and 40 centimeters wide. Next, switch to the Plan view. From the Modify tab, choose Point and place one point at the center of the bottom edge and another at the center of the top edge. Select both points, connect them with a line, and then convert that line into a reference line. Now we'll place 4 points along this reference line. These points will be used to define the shape of our panel. Here's an important tip. Instead of creating the profile directly inside this family, we'll build it in a separate family, load it into this one, and place it on the 4 points. The reason is that we need access to the rotation angle parameter later, and this workflow makes that possible, as you'll see in a moment. Once the profile family is finished, load it into the current family and place one profile on each of the 4 points. Now select the 2 middle points. In the Properties palette, you'll find the Rotation Angle parameter. We'll associate it with a new parameter so we can control the rotation. You can create rotation parameters for all 4 points if you want more flexibility, depending on the type of patterns you're trying to create. We'll also enable the normalized curve parameter for the two middle points. This parameter controls the position of the profiles along the reference line, giving us even more control over the final shape. Now select all four profiles and click Create Form to generate the geometry. If we start changing the rotation angle values, you'll immediately see how the form changes and how different shapes can be created using the same family. To test the panel, we'll open a new mass family, load our panel into it, and place it at the desired size. As you can see, every panel can be edited individually by changing its parameters, allowing you to create many different facade patterns. The only downside is that adjusting every panel manually becomes slow and repetitive. That's why I created a dedicated Dynamo script for this family. The idea is very simple. You draw two spline curves, and the script uses them to automatically control the opening, closing, and rotation of all the panels. We'll go to the node called Select First Line and choose the first spline. Then we'll use the Select Second Line node to select the second spline. You can also adjust the rotation angles directly through the script to generate different facade patterns in just a few seconds. And that's it for this video. If you'd like to support the channel, you can download both the family and the Dynamo script using the links in the first comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.